Hello guys, Judy in here from Just8ate.com, and today is 4th of July. Hopefully you're having a wonderful 4th of July. It's Independence Day in the USA. That's right, I live in California, so that is in the USA. Just in case you didn't know. But today we're going to be making potato salad with bacon. That's right, let's hit the kitchen.
So for this recipe, we're going to go ahead and use 5 red potatoes, and we're going to be using 3 russet potatoes, and we're going to go ahead and peel them and dice them to bite-sized pieces.
And then we need some bacon. Like I'm going to cut half and then make them into bite-sized pieces. But we're going to go ahead and cook these.
And we're going to use scallions or green onions, and we're going to slice them to bite-sized pieces just like the potatoes. And we're going to be using 6 boiled eggs. And yes, they're hard-boiled eggs to the point where they're firm in the center. 1.5 cup of light mayo,
Grey Poupon Dijon mustard,
black pepper, and Himalayan pink salt, but you could use any salt. So we'll be bringing half a pot of water to a boil, and of course go ahead and put in your red potatoes and then the russet potatoes, which is the other potatoes. Put a lid on it and let it boil.
It's still a little tough, but not mushy enough yet. They're still like apples. We want to get that texture to be like soft gummy worms or soft gummy bears. So they still need to be uncooked. These still need to be cooked for a little bit longer. Ooh, yeah. They're getting there. They're almost at the mushy point. So you just kind of, if you could break it with your spoon, then we're in business. Woo! There we go. Okay. And now we drain them.
After you drain your potatoes, put it in the container of choice, and then put in your green onions and your eggs. But definitely slice them the way, bite-sized pieces for your eggs, and put them in your container.
Comment down below if you love boiled eggs in your potato salad. I'm just curious. It's not potato salad until you put mayonnaise. Stir it up. And then we're going to add some salt. Comment down below what else would you put inside your potato salad. Comment down below. As you can see, I'm already making it in the Tupperware. Since it is a potluck, so if you haven't watched my unboxing video for meal prepping, that's where this container came from. I'll go ahead and link in the description box below for these containers. If you are interested in getting these containers, you get a set. It's not just the one big one, you could get a whole set. So definitely recommend that since I like using these Tupperwares. And it's pretty good price. And they're keeping up with its shape and it's lasting a good while. So I'm pretty happy with this container. So now, I'm using the Grey Poupon Dijon mustard. I'm gonna go ahead and put in 1 tablespoon. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix that in. Just adds a little more flavor to the potato salad and fragrance. You see now why we wanted our potatoes to be a little bit gummy, but not too gummy. I have made potato salad before where my potatoes were too mushy and it became mashed potatoes. But in this case, we still have the bite-sized potato sizes. The bite-sized potatoes in here. So, and then our bacon, crispy bacon. All right. Yep. That's how you make my potato salad with bacon. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the way I make my potato salad with bacon. That's right, with bacon. And so I'm hoping you enjoyed this recipe, and hey, hopefully you learned something new with me, because I always like to say, expand your mind and explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my eater. And you know what? Make sure you're commenting down below so that you could be the next shout out winner. Here's a shout out winner from the last uploaded video. Down below if you love potato salad. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. See you in the next video.